What's going on, everybody? So hopefully you guys have a wonderful day. So today we're going to be unboxing a box package straight from eBay. Actually, I picked it up by my UPS driver, which he wasn't around the block, and I decided to chase him out and pick up my package. So there you go. I have it right now. So ordered this on eBay, and guys, I think I'm the first one who actually unboxed this. I checked on YouTube. Nobody ever did. The only unboxed is the DVD version of it, which I did that too. But nobody ever boxed the Blu-ray version, so I'll be the first one to do that. And you guys know the title of the video. Yes, I finally have it. Digital copy, special edition, limited edition gift set, Best Buy exclusive, Superman, Batman, the Public Enemy, Blu-ray with the exclusive figure of Batman. Really extremely rare. Cannot find this everywhere. Not even online. On eBay, I was the luckiest one. The seller put as buy now for $100 price. I asked them for 90 or $85. Be a fair price, and he accepted it. So now it's in my hand. Wow. So yeah. So there you go. That's the front of the box. Got the spine, Superman, Batman, Public Enemy. And also in the back, it's not above the law. So we do got some over 3 hours special features. You guys could pause that, read on your own. The author, Superman, Batman, of course. And also we got some little scratch on it. Just it doesn't bother me. But the condition on the box, it actually says very good. It's in good and acceptable. But really, it's not a real shape, but cool. Also, we're gonna show you on the top. Original anime movie, DC. Bottom. Also, we're gonna open it up. Show you guys right there. Pretty nice. There. Oops. Focus on that. Okay. Okay, we got the nice glossary slip cover. Digital copy, special edition, Superman, Batman, Public Enemy. Actually, I never watched this movie, so this will be my first time watching it. Like I say, I did the unboxing on the DVD version, which I didn't bother watching on DVD because I wanted it on the Blu-ray, see the HD picture. And yes, so now I finally have it. So I'll be watching this on my day off. Got the spine. Also in the back, same thing as the back of the box. Look the special. Okay, got the set cover. Okay. Also got the case. So alright, so we do got the Blu-ray disc. Nice front disc. And also we got the digital copy, which is already expired. Because this movie came out like 2009 or 8, between those 2 years. So, if you guys want it, there you go. Feel free. Even though it's not going to work, but okay. So, yeah, guys, so that's about it. So, that's my unboxing of exclusive Best Buy Batman figure with the limited edition gift set. Extremely rare on Blu-ray. So pretty excited. Now I own the Blu-ray and the DVD itself. I own all the DC limited edition gift set, almost everything. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later.